Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Chenelle Beauty coming back with another haul. Yes, I said haul. I wanted to do a haul on some things that I had got in the last couple of months that accumulated, and I just thought that it was so cute and just so affordable and things like that. It's actually a haul from Goodwill. So Goodwill thrift store. Yes, I said Goodwill. I feel like a lot of YouTubers probably don't do these type of hauls because maybe they feel like they're too good to do it. But you know, me and my mom, we love shopping at Goodwill when we have like a little extra change because it is so cheap. So you know, when we do have like extra change, we actually find good buys and good sales and things like that. So I thought it would be really cute to do a haul on Goodwill thrift store. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to show is some of the bags that I got. So some of the bags that I received from Goodwill that I have come into contact with and was like, oh my gosh, was this first cute little chain bag, and as you can see, it looks very brand new and it's very small, so I feel like it's in style because nowadays the style is like very tiny bags and stuff like that. So I have some stuff in it right now because I actually wore it to work today, but I just wanted to show that this bag looks very brand new. And yes, I got it from Goodwill. I probably paid about $3.99 for it. Yes, $3.99 in US change. And I just thought it was so cute. It's snake skin and they really took good care of the bag. It's probably new because it just looked that bomb. And the second one that I had got, I only got 2 bags the last time I went, and I probably paid $3.99 for this bag as well. But this little small cute little chain bag that has pink lining, I don't think I got nothing in this one, just some earrings. But it has pink lining and like a whole little wallet area and money area, and then it has like this middle section with like the zipper and my earring. So I thought this bag was very cute, once again in very good shape. It's leather or pleather, I don't think it's real leather, but it's a very cute chain bag, and I have a shirt that match exactly this color, so I love to wear it with that shirt. And when you close it, it just looks so adorable and cute. So I went ahead and grabbed that along with this bag, and I really lucked up because it was a girl about my age in there and she was looking for bags too. But honey, I went ahead and grabbed them bags real quick and bought them, so I lucked up. So the next thing is going to be shoes. Different boots. I love getting shoes from my Goodwill up the street because I just feel like the people that bring clothes there or how they get their clothes, I just feel like the people really don't use them much. They just buy them and probably never wear them type of situation because all of their stuff always look very well kept. I can't speak on other thrift stores, but definitely Goodwill, from what I have experienced in my town, has really had nice and you know, it's always looking brand new. So some boots that I bought, and it actually still got the price on it because I don't think I never wore it, but I had it for a while. It's $8.96 from a Goodwill. A pair of black leather boots, which will do me very well in the summer, in the winter. They are a pair of leather boots. They have like maybe a little mark or 2 on the boots, but looking at it from afar and things like that, you would never be able to tell that that's there. But I do actually have still, and I didn't know this, but I still have the tag on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it is $8.90. So I paid $9 for some very good boots that probably cost at least $20. And yeah, it's very sexy, and I could wear it with like a shirt like this with some jeans or something. Y'all know how we do. So those are one of my pairs of boots that I snagged at a Goodwill. The next pair I have a different color that would also go very well with this shirt. And some of the boots I have wore before. I think I wore the black ones like one time and the others a couple times. So yeah, so the second pair of boots that I have is these very cute like knee-high boots as well, but it doesn't have a heel. It's a flat boot, and it's very comfortable and looks very new. If you look at it, this looks very, very new. They took very care of this boot, and this is after me wearing it after a couple of wears as well. So you can only imagine how it looked when I first got it. And the price isn't on this boot, but I'm pretty sure that their boots is pretty much the same price, unless it was like on a sale. I probably paid around $8.95 for this too, so about $9. And these boots are so cute, and I can wear it with like a cheetah shirt like this. Girl, be stopping and breaking all the niggas' necks, okay? So the second one is, these are my favorite pairs of boots, period, and that I have at least in my stash. Also Goodwill bought, probably paid about $9 for them, and they just look so fucking bomb, and they look so expensive, and I just love these boots. They're so comfortable and everything. These are also flat heeled, and as you can see, they're very cute, and I just love this touch up here and like these buttons, because I just feel like it makes it look so expensive, honey. It looks like I got on some Louis Vuitton heels, some Louis Vuitton boots, and they just are so cute. So I wore these a couple of times, and kind of was a little rough with them. So on the back, it do have this, but I think I did that. But when I bought them, they were very much new. And they were just so cute, so I just decided to purchase them. Like I said, I probably paid about $9 for these lovely boots. So right now we're talking, and I haven't even been back to the store in like at least a month. Right now we're talking 3 fabulous boots from Goodwill thrift store. Y'all better get up on it. Stop acting like y'all too brand new to be up in the thrift store. Honey, I balls out in the thrift store and pay under $20 for about 10 items at least. So these, I got these heels, nice little tan heels. I had these for a couple of months, and they actually still have the price on it as well. I paid $7 for these, $6.96, and they are 9 West heels. Like I said, I had them for a while. I moved in the I had this moved to my new apartment, so they're looking a little rough, but not too rough. But I just thought these were so cute, and I thought these looked expensive as well. Again, I could wear it with this shirt, and yeah, they're nice little heels, and they have the toe open in the front, and I paid $7 for these shoes. So when I want to dress it up and make it look sexy, you know, I definitely will revert to something like that. So the next pair of shoes I have are these very cute preppy type shoes. I don't even know what to call them besides like baby doll shoes. But again, and I promise you, I did not plan this, but they could go very well when I don't want to wear boots or heels with this shirt. And they are just the cutest little shoes I had got from Goodwill. They don't still have the price tag on them, but they are like Nature Breeze brand, and they just look actually in pretty good shape. But you know, it's Goodwill, so you know, I expect good quality. You know, I have always had a good experience from them. So the next amount of items that I have is my favorite, one of my favorite dress shirts that I had got from Goodwill. And when I tell y'all that this shirt looks so good, it looks like something off of a Versace cover. It's very pretty and just very well maintained. This shirt probably came out in the 80s, so it's very vintage, I believe. And the brand is Laura Jane Petite collection. It is so pretty, y'all. Look at this shirt. And I wore this a couple of times as well. I had this for a while. But all of this stuff I have for less than a year. We'll just say that. But I'm trying to find a sleeve, because it also has a tie to it, and it kind of looks very much like the sleeve. look how cute this shirt is. This blouse. This is not even a shirt. This is a blouse. Very, very pretty. It's silk. It's expensive looking, and it comes with like this necktie that you can tie like this. So I normally tie it, and then I just, you know, it's long sleeve or whatever. However, it is like a silk polyester type of fabric, so no air comes in it. It gets very hot, but it is very, very beautiful. And so I snagged this real quick. I probably paid like $5 for this. It's like $4.98. I went ahead and snagged that. I also snagged this, and I use it as, because I'm so short, I'm only like 4'11", 5 feet. This is like a very, I want to say this is not even a small shirt. This is probably like a large. And I use it as a dress though. Oh no, this is actually a small, but it's so long that I can use it as a dress. But the pattern is just so beautiful, and the colors and everything like that, once again, looks very brand new and just very beautiful. And yeah, I can use this as a dress. So I normally just wear it with like some heels. I may put tights underneath it. It depends. The next one, it's just a regular t-shirt, and for the one I use as a dress, again, like $4. This is just another shirt that I like to wear like when I want to look a little dressed up, especially like work and stuff like that. I just will put on a shirt like this. Probably paid $2.98 for it, because they do have some shirts. Most of the time shirts like this, which is the next shirt, another cute pattern, same type of material. Again, these type of shirts get really hot, but I mean, they're so cute. But these type of shirts at Goodwill, at least in my area, is about $2.98. So you're not going to be paying more than like $3 for it. But shirts like this may be about $4 to $6, because I mean, look at it, you know what I mean? So it also depends on the brand too. Like if they have like, you know, some brands that it's like, you know, kind of out there and popular, then they're probably going to charge a little bit more for it, but not more than like $9.98 or something like that. So this is the last shirt that I had got, and another very silk polyester type material dressy shirt when I want to be cute, wear it with like a pop of red lip or something like that. And I can actually wear it with these heels. So we balling out, getting the whole fit from Goodwill. Hey sis, like yes. Yasssss, yes. So, you know, with some cute jeans, you know, and that's what I got. So I just wanted to do a mini haul on some of the things that I have in my closet from the Goodwill thrift store. You know, some people, they, like I said, they try to act like they are too good, or they may be a little too embarrassed to say that they got their stuff from Goodwill. But I find a lot of great buys. My mom find a lot of great buys from the store. So, you know, it's no shame in our game. Like, we still look cute, we look fashionable. You have to learn how to put cheap stuff with expensive stuff and just be bomb.com on that type of wave. So, you know, I always go to the thrift store and see what I can find. I even like going to, I believe it's called the Salvation Army, but that's a little further down the street, so I haven't been there in a while. Goodwill is literally like 1.9 miles away from my house, so we literally go there on days off when we don't have nothing to do, and we have like a little money to spend or whatever, and all the bills is paid and whatnot. So, you know, I just wanted to come and show y'all the good stuff that they have really at these thrift stores, especially like a place like Goodwill, where people just like donate stuff, even stuff that they don't use. Like, it's always good to just like check it out, peep your head in. They always run in sales and things like that. Like, they'll have like purple tags for 40% off, 50% off, this tag color for this and that. So just like check it out, you'll be surprised. A lot of stuff be vintage too. A lot of things be just sometimes coming from like very, you know, well off people, and they just like grew out of it, or something happened, or, you know, and the person just thinks to donate it to like a Goodwill. So pop your head in a Goodwill, sis, and go ahead and shop till you drop. I love Goodwill. I love Goodwill, and I don't care when I have $1 million, I'm still gonna be shopping at Goodwill because you just find so much unique stuff at that. It's not just stuff that, you know, you're gonna find 5 other women in. It's like things that you're not gonna see nobody else in because it's just one of those probably in your town, in your state, in your country. Like, you just never know. So I just love that. And this shirt is actually not from Goodwill. This shirt is from Fashion Nova. It's actually a bodysuit, so it comes with like the little part in the middle. So yeah, this is from Fashion Nova, but all of the other things that I showed you today is from Goodwill. Please, y'all, give them a chance, and just, you know, even if you have like a little mom and pop thrift store, just pop your head in there. You'll be surprised what you'll find in there. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to another haul with your girl Chenelle Beauty. Y'all stay beautiful. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your family, friends, and your boo thing. Y'all know how I get down. And thank y'all so much for tuning in. Y'all have y'all a good night. Bye.